morning dawned and Heidi James got up and looked down from Highfield's windmill. It had been a very warm night. Her husband Robert had got up early, as builders do, and was already over in the Oust Roost, sorting things out before he got off to work. Newly married at St James's Church by the Reverend Wilfrid Pontiger Soames, life was full on, as she had also been appointed by Mr Arnott as Pullman manageress. She momentarily gazed over Queensbury from the gallery of the windmill. Then it came to her. She had overheard during the bank holiday weekend from a discussion between Brian Heffer and his fireman Kingsley Wolfe that there were going to be some top-link double-header trials, maybe even a special hauled service. That got her mind spinning. Mr Arnott had secured a short-term loan of the Pullman coach, the Century Bar. It was like the rest of the railway's Pullman rake, very luxurious. She had her breakfast, closed up the windmill, and got herself off to work. By the time she got there, she had formulated her proposal to Mr Arnott, an evening champagne special with canapes, to bring back the nostalgia and romance of the bygone steam days. She put the idea to Mr Arnott. He responded positively. "What an excellent idea. Sir Festus Orlake has already sent me a letter about running something like this. And now we have the Century Bar. What a showstopper." Mr Arnott continued, "Leave it with me. I will ask my secretary, Alec Newton, to sort the publicity." "Excellent," he repeated. "Most excellent." Heidi went off to her office and was straight on the phone to Phyllis and also Alfred Stein of the Old Bell. She needed to get catering and champagne organised promptly. Then she contacted Donald Ballender about getting the Pullman coaches looking tip-top condition. She wondered if Mick Bolton and Jay Jackson were able to give the Pullman coaches numbers 31, 66, 35 and 162, as well as the Century Bar, an extra washout. She then organised her staff Greg Davies, Robert Griffiths and Greg Reed to clean and check through each of the coaches, polishing and dusting till everything looked almost perfect. Her chef, Jean-Claude Macau, got himself over to the MPD canteen where Phyllis was preparing her special breakfast butties. When the footplate crews arrived, they were buzzing with who was going to drive which locomotive. The roster was yet to be sorted, but the two locomotives were from the LNER region, number 6007 Sir Nigel Gresley and 60103 Flying Scotsman. But then which one was going to pilot? Brian and Kingsley felt they should have first choice as they were top in their link. But driver John Wharton and his fireman Simon Braithwaite were also very experienced. Melvin Long and Fred Poulin, too, were in with a shout, as even though they usually drove LMS locomotives, they were also very experienced. David Jackson turned up as he had been carrying out some early preparations shunting near Scaledale Junction. All had gone well. The attention and adjustments to the tight points of the junction by Derek Forbes and Dick Melsmith seemed to resolve the problem. Brian called over to David as he stood waiting for his breakfast butties and mug of tea. "The junction okay then?" David smiled. "That's okay then," replied Brian.